Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review RetroSnap Play. The RetroSnap Play is a fun little gadget design for people who love classic games with a modern twist. It brings back the feel of old school consoles but in smaller, portable form. Many users enjoy that it comes preloaded with a variety of retro games, so you can start playing right away without needing extra cartridges or downloads. The controls are simple and familiar, making it easier for both kids and adults to use. Its compact size making it travel friendly, so you can take it anywhere and enjoy game quick sessions. The screen is clear and colorful, which makes old game look lively and nostalgic. Some versions also allow connection to a TV, letting you enjoy retro games on a bigger screen. The battery life is decent, giving several hours of play before needing a recharge. People also like that it charges quickly through USB, making it hassle-free. While it is not as powerful as modern gaming consoles, it serves its purpose as a light and nostalgic entertainment device. A few users mentioned that some games might repeat or not run as smoothly, but overall performance is good for casual fun. The sound quality is basic but adds to the retro vibe. Its affordable price makes it a popular choice for gifting or collecting. Overall, the RetroSnap Play is a playful, budget-friendly way to relive classic games and enjoy a touch of nostalgia in your free time. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.